Yo, how's it going, YouTube? This is the Chef Symbol, aka Moody Moods, and what I got in my hand today are 2 eggs. Now, honestly, I don't know how to juggle, but one thing I do know how to juggle is ingredients, and in a very beneficial way. So, what I want to show you today is one of my favorite start up to the day dishes that I like to make in the morning. It's called Avocado Toast. We're gonna just do a little twist on it. I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best scrambled eggs you've ever seen in your life. Put it on some avocado toast, call it a day, and that's how you start up a great healthy breakfast. So stick with me. I guarantee you this is going to be something that you're going to utilize every single day. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Click on that notification bell, and I will be seeing you at the end. Peace. Alright everyone, so this is how we're going to be starting. We're going to start off first with some toast. Whatever bread you choose to use is up to you. So I'm personally using sprouted bread just because it's a bit of a healthier option. We have our chives to finish off the eggs with. Obviously our eggs, some butter, Parmesan, and guacamole. And how the assembly is going to happen is basically the guacamole goes on first. We'll end up cooking our eggs with butter, finished off with some chives, and then grate some fresh Parmesan over the finished product, and then put our scrambled eggs on the toast. So stick with me. Let's get to the scrambled eggs because I'm guaranteeing you don't want to miss this. These scrambled eggs are out of this world. So what we're doing now is we're bringing our pan to a heat, and we're just going to toss in our butter. And we're going to allow our butter to melt. We're also going to crack our fresh eggs into the butter. Now, as soon as the eggs go in, you're stirring. And the key to this amazing scrambled eggs is to make sure you're going low and slow. So if you realize that your eggs are cooking fast, lift it off the heat and keep stirring. And you'll notice between, I'll take it off the heat, stir, put it back on the heat, stir. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm quickly gonna add my salt. So just a pinch. And I'm going to crack my black pepper. And we're going to continue stirring. Now when you see that it's come down to this consistency, it's good to take it off the heat. Alright, and to finish it off, we're going to add in our chives. Alright, so we got our bread toasted, and how we're going to start this off is with our avocado. Yeah, after we got our avocado spread, we're going to hit it with the eggs. And the pan essentially finished off cooking the eggs with the residual heat. Alright, so we got our creamy eggs on here. with our guacamole, and we're gonna finish it off with some cheese. Perfect. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your perfect avocado toast. This is definitely something that is easy to make, very, very quick, and you'll be fulfilled in the morning. You got your protein, you got your good fats, you also have your good carbs here, especially with the sprouted bread, which is easy to digest. I highly encourage everyone to give this one a try because this is definitely worth making. Once again, I do want to say thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing and liking the content. Helps me basically put out more content for you. This avocado toast, again, was a industry trend. So I just want to get out more trends that are happening in the industry so I can show you how to make gourmet dishes at home. Give this one a try. Hit me up on my Instagram at the chef symbol. Also on Facebook, same tag, the chef symbol. If you guys make any of these dishes, feel free to tag me in it. I will be reposting your dishes. So let me know how it turns out, and I hope to see you soon. Next video, guys. Thank you so much. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. See you next time. The chef symbol.